Google just launched something that changes how you use AI in your browser. It's called Skills in Chrome, and it lets you save any AI prompt as a one-click reusable workflow. No more retyping the same question on every page. You build it once, run it everywhere. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what this feature does, how it works, and showing you every real demo Google shipped with it. Here's the problem Skills solves. Every time you visit a new recipe page and want to check ingredient substitutions for your diet, you have to type the same prompt into Gemini. Every time you shop and want to compare products across tabs, same prompt, different page. Every time you scan a long document for key details, you're retyping instructions you already wrote. Google says early testers were doing this constantly, building the same prompts over and over. Skills fixes this by letting you save any prompt you've already written in your Gemini chat history and reuse it instantly. So how does it actually work? When you're chatting with Gemini in Chrome and you write a prompt you want to use again, you save it directly from your chat history as a skill. The next time you need it, you just type / or click the plus button in Gemini, and your saved skill runs on whatever page you're viewing. It also works across tabs. You can select multiple tabs and run the skill on all of them together. That means if you have 3 product pages open, your comparison skill can pull data from all 3 at once. You can edit your saved skills anytime and create new ones whenever you want. Let's look at the first real demo Google provided. This shows the build your own workflow feature in action. You can see a user browsing a Chinese chicken salad recipe page. They ask Gemini to analyze the recipe, identify all ingredients, and suggest high-protein substitutions. The AI processes the full recipe, breaks down the dressing and salad base ingredients with protein counts, and generates a revised version. Then the user saves this entire prompt as a skill. Next time they visit any recipe page, they just select that saved skill, and it runs automatically. No retyping, no rebuilding the prompt from scratch. Here's where Skills gets really powerful, the multi-tab use case. In this demo, a user is shopping for skincare gifts across 3 different product pages open in separate tabs. They activate their Gift Concierge skill, which cross-references all 3 products at once. The skill pulls product details, prices, and reviews from each tab, then generates a side-by-side comparison with recommendations. It factors in things like price points, skin type compatibility, and product benefits. This is the kind of task that would normally require copy-pasting between tabs or manually comparing specs. With Skills, it's one click and Gemini handles the cross-referencing across all your open pages. Google is also launching a skills library with ready-made workflows. If you don't want to build your own, you can browse pre-built skills for common tasks. There's a meal planner that analyzes recipes and creates weekly plans, a protein maximizer that suggests high-protein ingredient swaps, a calendar creator that turns event details into schedule entries, a gift concierge for smart product comparisons, and an ingredient decoder that breaks down what's actually in the products you're looking at. You can add any of these with one click, and since they're fully editable, you can customize the prompt to fit your exact needs. Think of it like an app store for AI prompts. This demo shows the dinner planning skill in action. The user has a crawfish dip recipe open in one tab and a Google Drive recipe collection in another. They activate their meal planner skill, which reads both tabs simultaneously. It pulls ingredients from the recipe page, cross-references them with other recipes in the Drive tab, and builds a complete meal plan. The skill organizes the output into a structured document with ingredient lists, portion sizes, and even a shopping breakdown. This is where multi-tab skills really shine. Instead of switching between tabs and manually pulling information together, the AI does the synthesis for you. The last demo shows the ingredient decoder skill. Here the user is browsing a magnesium pain relief product page. They activate the What's in the skill, and Gemini instantly breaks down the ingredient list, explains what each component does, highlights potential allergens, and compares it against alternatives on the same site. The skill even pulls related products from the page and shows a comparison. Notice how it surfaces the key details without the user having to scroll through walls of text or research each ingredient separately. For anyone who shops for health or beauty products online, this is a genuine time saver. On the security side, Google says skills are built on Chrome's existing privacy and security foundation. A skill prompt will ask for your confirmation before taking certain actions, like adding an event to your calendar or sending an email. Skills also benefit from Chrome's automated red teaming and auto-update protections. Skills are rolling out starting today on Mac, Windows, and Chrome OS for users with their Chrome language set to English US. Your saved skills sync across all signed-in Chrome desktop devices. To manage them, type / in Gemini in Chrome and click the compass icon. That's the full breakdown of Chrome skills. Save prompts, run them anywhere, work across tabs, and browse a growing library of pre-built workflows. If you found this useful, subscribe for more AI feature breakdowns.